today, boys and girls, special treat. Oban single malt whiskey. This is the 18-year limited edition. This was gifted to us by a friend of ours and fan of the show, David Kemp. He is down under. My man's down in Australia. Hopefully he's watching right now. If not, he may be catching on the rerun. But he's a really, really cool guy. Done a lot of really cool stuff with us. And then surprised us with 2 bottles of Scotch, both which are freaking spectacular looking. I may or may not have broken into this already, not wanting to wait for a review because I like Oban and it's 18 years, so it cannot be bad. I'll leave it there. So
I haven't tried it yet, though, so
shoot,
it'll be fresh for me.
I forgot to do the special thing. Whoops. Okay. Special effects? Kind of.
That was really expensive. We spent thousands of dollars working on that tech.
The not so special effects. All right. Mr. Mac, while I am pouring said Scotch whiskey, if you could. No. You're supposed to read the tasting. That's why I'm pouring it.
Oh, heavens. All right, back in my chair.
Well, I poured it all now, so you can come get it.
I'll be back.
It's delicious. All right, I know we're all gonna like it, so I'm gonna pour a little bit extra. All right.
I do have to drive home.
Sleeping at the shop. All right, Mr. Mac, that's yours.
I didn't bring my
and
air
we
mattress.
And my cot. All right, we will do our. Oh, I can't really see my kilt too much. All right, what tartan are you wearing today, Mr. Mac?
I have Stuart Hunting Ancient on today.
Very pretty. I like the orange. How it matches the shirt.
Orange, yep.
Mac,
Nice. You got orange in the hat, too.
Mac is
Very nice.
You probably have orange in your socks.
No, I got blue in my socks
Blue in the
today.
socks? Okay. Well, you got blue in the kilt. Mac will match everything. He takes matchy to a different level.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly. All right, Mr. Ian, what are you wearing today?
Of course, the Kilts Culture tartan.
That's very nice. You look very dapper today.
Thank
very
you.
dapper. So
Thank
we got
you.
like the 3 levels.
Yes.
Black matching the kilt as well.
Very nice. Today, you can't see much of it there, but I have on my Pennsylvania State Seal tartan based on the colors in the State Seal of Pennsylvania. So that's what we're wearing today. All right. Go back down. Tell us about the tasting note stuff. Hurry. Go quick. Sit down.
Heavens.
Ooh,
Smells good.
it does.
Smells good.
All right. So,
It's a little
Getting the oakiness.
sweet.
what are you getting in the scent? You getting some peat smoke? Some spicy wood?
Touch.
Notes of ripe banana?
Oh, yeah, that's the sweetness.
Pear and plum.
Yeah, that's the sweetness.
I don't know if I'm getting banana.
I get banana when I was up.
Matt gets banana when his throat closes up and he can't breathe.
Yeah. That's
This
what I
is going to be a
said.
very short show.
That's what I said earlier. I'm like, I don't know about this one.
For those who don't know, Mac is allergic to banana.
Yeah, really weird, random.
Yes. Okay. So, yep.
I noticed it more when I was up there when when it was poured. I
Right.
could smell more of that than I do now.
So when you were a little further away.
Yeah.
Smells great. Oh, I love it. Okay. All right. Sippy sip.
So the palate is a mouth-filling sweetness tempered with smoke and malt dryness.
You're leading the witness, but yes. It's got like a after you swallow, it has like a little bit of a sandpapery feel on the tongue kind of thing. So I feel that it's smoky, but like a hint.
Yeah.
It's not a lot. It's not overpowering. It's not like a full-on Isla, like Lagavulin or Ardbeg or something like that. It's a good, like, it's just there. It's
more
you just
balanced.
see it. Yes.
Than one of those.
And it says, for the finish, long and sweet, hints of dark chocolate and salted caramel.
Yeah. I get all that. Mm-hmm. It's still lingering.
Okay.
Still, again, I think he's leading the witness because I 100% see it. It's what I notice is it's not a list of tasting notes like a half mile long.
No, it's not.
It's short, sweet, and to the point, and I agree with everything that you just said.
I don't know that I have a refined enough palate to pull all that out of it.
But I don't. If you think about it, now everyone's palate is different, and you're going to get different things out of it. But it's not like he said, oh, it tastes like, dirt. And you're like, nope, that's no dirt at all. It's you're not completely disagreeing.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not getting the...
Can't rule out any of those things.
The vanilla, the spice, the fruit, like the 87 typical flavors.
Stuff got all the things... Sorry.
One of the things I said about the body, it's a medium-bodied with rich with good legs, is how it's phrased on the site.
Legs are the runners down the side, and yeah, it looks like streaks down the side of your glass. Those are the legs.
Okay.
I feel that energy on that part of the description. It's balanced to me. It's got all the things I'm looking for. It's got that alcoholic burn. It's got the oakiness. It's got a little bit of spiciness, a little bit of sweetness, but nothing like the Lagavulin that has that Band-Aid flavor you talk about.
Yeah.
It doesn't have anything that really like clobbers you. And
I agree, and I will say the only thing that what you just said that I did not hear Max say in the notes was I definitely get spiciness a little bit as well. Like middle back of my tongue kind of area.
Let me try again.
Yeah, all right, I'll try it again. Hold on.
when he first talked about the initial notes, he did say something about the scent. Talked about spiciness, didn't we? Or did you say that?
Spicy is not generally a nosing note. It's a tasting. It is in the nosing.
It says peat smoke and spicy wood.
Yes, remember that.
Okay.
Spicy
That's
wood.
spicy wood.
It's a spicy wood.
Spicy wood, the Rocky Rager story.
I'm just gonna leave that one alone. No, but it is a. None of it is. Now I'm gonna compare it for a sec to Highland Park,
Okay.
where their tagline, and I love this tagline, which is why I'm remembering it, is intensely balanced. I think it's called intensely. It's intensely balanced. I think it's what it said. But like it's all of the flavor profiles just more intense, but on a good balance.
Yeah.
This is to me medium balanced.
Mm-hmm.
It's not like super intense. Everything is off the scale. It's not super subtle that you're like, I don't get any of this. It's kind of just a regular bland blah. It's a good like right down the middle, smooth. Yeah, it's definitely smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is dangerous.
Yeah, this could be a problem.
Subjective.
We might have to cut the show short by half an hour. Is all I'm saying.
I don't know. We have
we say some
David
things.
Gray put. You guys are expensive. You make me want to buy. You make me want to drink good whiskey and wear quality kilts.
We've done some less expensive whiskeys this year.
No, I will say this. We didn't buy this. I'm not this. We looked it up. Just you're not supposed to look up the price of gifts, but I did just because for reference on the show.
It was right next to the tasting notes. That's
yes,
how we
of course,
noticed.
of course.
Yes.
This isn't cheap. It's a damn good bottle of Scotch. Like flavor and quality wise, as well as price wise. I think it was like $150-ish dollars. So I like it. I wouldn't necessarily buy it for myself because I'm too cheap, but it is a damn good bottle of Scotch. Yes, I agree.
Yeah.
All right.
I think Highland Park is more my price range, but
Highland Park is still good.
It is. I don't disagree. But
I'm going to pour a little bit of water just to see what it does.
okay.
I gave you a bottle of water earlier. I don't know if it's still there or not.
It is.
Just a touch. We'll see if it like cuts it or mellows it out at all. Max got like a gallon and a half of water over there.
Spiciness comes out a little bit more in the nose, I think, with a little water added.
Yeah, that's weird. Water usually takes the spiciness away, but it's definitely a little spicier even in tasting it.
Yeah, I don't think I would do this one neat. It's my recommendation.
I don't disagree with that.
I don't want it quite as spicy. I like the intensely medium balanced, or however you described it. So is this a Highland Scotch, or is this a Speyside?
No, I think it's
other?
considered an Isla. I think.
Is it? Okay.
It's over. It's not on Isla. Mac, do you know what it's considered?
Looking
Oban is
up
on
right
the
now.
left coast of Scotland, like left of or west coast of Scotland, left of
Left of the
Glasgow.
coast,
Yeah. It's a sea town. I've been there. I've been there before I was really drinking Scotch, or else I would have gone to the distillery. Doesn't say. It's just single.
I was excited to see it recently.
West Highland.
Recently looking at a map that showed where all the biggest distilleries were in Scotland.
Yeah.
And I was excited to see 3 scotches that I've always kind of like thought of as at least very close to the same. We're all like right in the same town on that island.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
It was
Ardbeg, Ferroig, and Lagavulin.
those are the 3.
Yep.
So it's just on a different part of that island.
Yeah. No. This is not on that island.
It's not, okay.
It says West Highland Scotch.
West Highland
So
Scotch.
West Highland, born and raised.
on the playground. In the peat box.
I
is where
hope
he spent
not.
most of his
Yeah,
days.
exactly.
Oh, yes.
Don't bring this to the playground.
Yeah. Well,
It's saying it's one of the smallest distilleries too.
really?
Interesting.
Yeah,
I would think the smallest distilleries
one of the
don't
smallest
get
Scotch
internationally
distilleries, yeah.
distributed.
Interesting. Very nice. No, but damn good.
Very good. I don't think I've
Yeah.
ever had any version of Oban before, so this is exciting.
I've had, I think they have a 10 or a 12 year, I think is what it is. And it's really good as well.
I believe it.
Mr. Mack, what are your score it 1 to 10? What do we give it?
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go 9-1.
Okay.
I like this one.
Strong score. Strong score. Very good. Ian,
This is no smokehead.
thank God.
This could be a problem. This is good. It's very smooth. Like I could drink a lot of it without noticing, kind of thing, just because it's so well balanced. I like it quite a bit. I'm gonna say 9, and I'm probably only rating it that low because I want to leave some room in case we try something better further down the road. But this is definitely the best thing I've ever had on the show, at least.
Okay. Okay. 9-2.
Okay.
It's good. I like it a lot. I like it more than I should. Yeah, Oban, you've kicked ass with this one. They were waiting for our approval, of course.
Of course. Now they've got the USA Kilt stamp of approval, or the Kilts Culture stamp of approval.
Exactly. But yeah, that's really really good. That may displace. Gotta take a breath before I say this.
Okay, hold it.
This may displace Lagavulin.
Oh, okay. I never thought I'd hear you say that.
As my tastes have evolved, I've mellowed a little bit more. I've appreciated other scotches from other areas more. So this still has like the Lagavulin soul in a Highland body.
Okay.
I don't know if what I'm saying makes sense or it just sounds creepy or artistic or all of the above.
I mean, you can be both creepy and artistic. Those things are not mutually exclusive.
I've been called both. So that's fair. All right. Very good. All right, boys and girls. Run, do not walk. Get a bottle of this. Save up for a while. But get a bottle of this. It belongs in everyone's liquor cabinet at some point if you drink scotch.
Or have a friend from Darwin, Australia who sends you things.
Yeah.
I mean, you could buy gas, or you could buy a bottle of that, which is good.
Costs about what a tank of gas costs now. So.
Would gas get you... never mind. I'm not suggesting drinking gas. Again. The lawsuit was enough for it. That's our review of Oban 18. If you've ever had it, let us know below what you think of this particular scotch. If you've never had it before, because many people haven't, what is your favorite scotch? We'd love to know. Or is there something scotch-wise or Irish whiskey that we should try as a channel? Please comment below and let us know. If you like what we do, remember, subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. Cheers, guys.